what your issue is, okay? Donald Trump is a great leader.
I don't want to talk about this anymore.
Donald Trump is a great leader, okay?
No, he's not.
He's a great leader,
No, he's
okay?
not.
He stated...
Shut up!
You shut up, okay? He stated everything is true, okay? He's building a wall to keep the Mexicans out. He's doing everything to help this country.
No,
he's helping
not.
people like you get jobs.
I don't need a job.
Yes, you do. You don't work. You want to know why you don't work?
Because I'm doing all the chores for you.
No, because some dumb fuck illegal got your job.
No.
Yes?
No.
Yes, that's exactly why. Samantha, you're old enough to vote soon, okay? Your birthday's coming up. You're voting for Donald Trump, all right?
What?
No, she's voting for Donald Trump.
Why the hell do I have to vote for someone?
Because your vote counts.
For what?
We're
Your
not
vote
voting
counts.
for him.
For what?
No, Donald Trump is a good leader, okay?
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
You just like him because he's an asshole like you.
No, Donald Trump has plenty of fucking plans in place, okay?
They have bad plans.
They're not bad plans, they're good.
Yes, they are.
They're really
bad
good.
plans.
They're really good.
I don't want to hear about
I
it.
pledge allegiance
Shut up.
to the Trump
Shut
of the
up.
United States of
I'm not
America
voting for him.
and to the republic for which it
I'm
stands.
not voting for him.
Hey! What the fuck?
Shut up.
Come here, fucking
Ah!
fucker!
I'm not voting
You got
for
me
him.
wet.
You fucking throw shit right there! Shut up, Sparky!
Hey, quiet.
Stop friggin' talking about Donald Trump.
No! He's a great leader!
No, he's not. Nobody likes him. Nobody's gonna vote for him.
They don't like him because he said the truth, and people like you can't handle the truth, just like all the other nerds and faggots of the world!
Shut up.
None of you guys can handle the truth! None of you! None of you can! And you sit there and you get pissed because someone tells you the truth because you don't like what they have to say! Fuck you!
Quiet.
I don't like
Shut up,
him
Clarky.
because he's wrong.
Quiet.
It ain't wrong! It's the truth! And you know it, and I know it! So again, Samantha's voting for Donald
Can I
Trump!
just do the dishes in peace? I don't want to listen to you. I don't want to listen to you freaking talk about Donald Trump.
Maybe I don't want to vote for Donald Trump.
Hillary Clinton ain't no goddamn president, okay?
She's gonna win.
No, she ain't!
Yes, she is.
She's a dumb woman with dumb woman's rights. Oh, women need this, and
Shut
women
up!
need that.
Shut
and we
up!
sit home and do nothing, and then we poop,
No,
and then we go eat
What am I
croissants, and we go eat croissants with the ladies. And then we go eat croissants with the ladies and talk about how miserable we are that our rich husband's going to work as we spend his money on his credit card!
Doing the dishes.
Shut it down!
Sparky, quiet.
You dumb motherfucker! Ain't no goddamn woman gonna be running this fucking presidency. You got my word on that.
She's gonna fucking win.
No, she's not! Women suck! Haven't you figured it out by now? Women can't do
I
nothing!
figured out that you're fucking sexist.
You can't do nothing either!
I'm doing the dishes. When have you ever done them?
That's your goddamn place! That's the only way you contribute!
You're so sexist.
You're so sexist!
You are. Good fucking man.
Stop nothing me!
I'm gonna throw these friggin' spoons at you if you don't shut up!
Over my dead body will some woman be a president in my country. If they elect Hillary Clinton as president, stop moving a candle!
Tony! Stop.
You shut up!
Stop.
Samantha, you're voting for Donald Trump.
Maybe I don't want to.
You're